Hey everyone, welcome back to Tommy's Tiny Trailer Shop, where we give you tips and information to help you have big adventures with your tiny trailers. And today we're here to take a look at this Grand Design Reflection 303.
Hey, hold on. That's not very tiny looking.
Well Matt, no it's not. This is quite a large trailer, but there's been some modifications that we can actually use in our tiny trailers. So let's take a look at a few. Okay, well the first mod we're going to look at on this trailer today is this cord reel. So we had some viewer requests asking if the water hose reel that I installed in another unit could be used for an electric cord. And while you might be able to use that one for electric cord, this one is a little bit larger, and this is going to hold your 50 amp electric cord a little bit better. You might be able to get a 30 amp on the other one, but this one here is going to hold a 50 amp without a problem. And of course it just unwinds, and I'll put a link to this information down in the comments section. But you can just unwind the cord, and of course you always want to unwind it the entire way, and then you can connect it to your electric connection on the side. When you're all finished, you're just going to simply take your cord and wrap it right up. And you're ready for travel. Now another modification we want to take a look at here is this one has a water filter and a pressure regulator built right in. Now the connection for this trailer, you bring your water hose up through the bottom of the compartment, and normally you would have connected it right here. But to have a water filter built in, the water filter was mounted right here on the side, pressure regulator built in, and this is an adjustable pressure regulator. So the water will come through your filter, and we routed the pipe up around and right into your city water tank. So now you always have filtered water coming into this unit. Now another simple mod that makes draining the water heater nice is right back here. So if you have one of these water heaters that does not have the anode rod, and you have this plastic drain plug that's right in here, those plastic drain plugs, they get worn out, and it's difficult to get in there. So a nice thing to do is to you can just put a little pipe nipple in here, put a valve on it, and then a little piece of hose like this. The hose will just tuck up here to the side. When you need to drain your water heater, you simply bring this out, turn the valve, and then you can easily drain your water heater. Okay, now we're going to go around the front and take a look at one other mod that was made on this unit. Okay, here in the front of the trailer, we have a Victron smart shunt that was installed. And with this, there's an app on your phone that you can select your battery type, and then you can program how far down you want to draw your battery. So in this case, we have a lead acid battery, so we can draw it down to 50%. So we can program that on the app in our phone, and it'll draw it down to 50%, and then it'll cut off the electric. You can also set alarms. And if you would have like a lithium battery, you could draw it down to 20% and then have an alarm. Or wherever you want to set your alarm to be at whatever percentage. So this is nice, especially if you're going off-grid and you're not plugged into electric, but you want to make sure that you don't draw your batteries down too low. You can install one of these smart shunts, and it'll automatically cut off whenever your battery gets too low. And also, it'll alert you. Well, thank you everyone for tuning in today. And if you're wondering how we got access to this not so tiny trailer, well, I'll just let you in. This is my son's trailer. John, come on over. So, my son isn't quite into tiny trailers like his pop is, so I just want to thank him for allowing us to show some of the mods. And of course, if he makes more mods, we'll show you those as well. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. And remember, here at Tommy's Tiny Trailer Shop, why we try to give you tips and information to help you use your tiny trailer for big adventures.